Northern California recently experienced devastating wildfires, resulting in the destruction of over 245,000 acres. Much of the land destroyed had been mature forests. People who live in the area are distraught. They are concerned about restoring their homes, the local wildlife, and the forest. They want to know when things will get back to normal. Your team works for the Land Management Office and has been tasked with putting together a projection for the future of forests and wildlife in this area. First, you will need to research the process of succession and examples of other areas that have been damaged by wildfires. Then, you will communicate your findings in a flipbook that predicts the changes to come over the next 100 years. The book should include the process of succession, including the estimated types and sizes of vegetation and wildlife in the area. Your presentation will go a long way in easing the anxiety of the community.